I am going to eat lemons in this video because Dillon said so. Yeah, shout out to Dillon for sending me this challenge. But it's out north on Instagram. Link is in description. Yep. So let me open this bag of lemon. There are 5 lemons inside. This is the tag. I got it from Sainsbury. Let me turn the light on so you can see my face better. So I'm going to eat a lemon, and Harry also sent me a challenge to drink lemon juice. So how am I going to cut it? Also, I have my water bottle prepared in case something goes wrong. Okay, enjoy my sour mouth. Which lemon should I eat first? There are 5 lemons. I'm going to eat this one because it looks less dodgy. And should I cut it? How should I cut it? This way, I think. Yeah. I can't cut. I don't think this knife is designed to cut lemon. And by the way, I quite like lemons, to be honest, but I don't really like eating them. But now I'm going to eat one. And as you may see, a lot of British Railway people have gone lemon. So this is my lemon. I'm scared. Let me cut it a bit more. Okay, so very lemony. So I'm going to eat this piece first. I've got 4 pieces here, cut from the same one. Oh my god! It's actually not as sour as I expected, probably because I fridged it, but I ate a quarter of a lemon. It tastes quite nice actually. Now the second quarter. Should I? I already hate myself. I mean, eating a quarter of lemon is okay, but starting from a second quarter of a lemon, I kind of feel like my mouth is quite sour, as Dillon said. And why am I doing this? Okay, coming up is my 3rd quarter. I think I need to cut it a bit because just cut the thing out. Or should I? Ow. Let me peel the skin off. Okay. I get the skin off it. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and juicy. Okay, the skin is off. Let me get this seed off as well, because I don't want to eat a seed. Okay, that's the third quarter. That's an eighth. Nice. Very nice. Excuse me. Yeah, it's quite sour. I'm a bit sweating for some reasons. My hands smell like lemon peel. Okay, coming up is my fourth quarter, which, if I finish this, I finish the lemon, and I have 4 left. Okay, come on, Lenny, you can do it. Lemons are sour, and they're yellow, which is good. Okay, I have my skin removed. There's a seed. Oh my god! Right, I finished the lemon. So the next challenge was sent by Harry. Drink lemon juice. I think it's a harder challenge than eating a lemon, because when you eat a lemon, the skin and thing, not the skin, but the thing, the non-juicy bit, that bit kind of stops you from tasting the sour of the lemon juice. So I expect the lemon juice to be, oh my god, much sourer. So I've got 4 lemons. I think they're good for a cup of lemon juice. I've got this cup is for me to drink tea. I'm using it to drink lemon juice. This is my first time doing it. And yes, Harry, you should be happy because I'm using my teacup. You know how this is important to me, but now it's going to get lemony. By the way, Harry is also on Instagram as @harry.quick. A link is in description unless he changes his username. Okay, so I am going to cut each lemon and squeeze the juice into my cup. Actually, quite some juice from my first lemon that I ate escaped. Oh, my teeth. Yep. And by the way, don't try this at home on your own. Squeeze the juice. Eat. I'm quite weak, I can't squeeze it. I'm gonna squeeze. A little bit easier if I cut it smaller. I don't know. Anyway, just... I'm gonna squeeze it as much as possible. Oh shit! My lemon dropped in my cup. Okay, normally when people drink lemon juice, they mix it with water, but because it... Ah, shit. I dropped my lemon again. I don't really like dropping it into my cup because... Nice. Because when you drop the lemon into it, it absorbs juice back up to the lemon. Lemon juice making company. Is that enough? This bit. Tastes quite nice, to be honest. Well, that's because I'm a British Railway enthusiast and I like lemons. Okay, now. Is that enough? Is this still juicy? Shouldn't be. Okay, so half of a lemon produced this bit. Can you see it? No, you can't. Okay, it's not a lot. Probably just a sip. Okay, and I think I should cut it smaller and squeeze it. Okay, now, so there are 2 lemons in the cup already, and I already regret doing this video. Now, there isn't a lot. Don't know if you can see. No, you can't. But, yeah. Anyway, let me put these 2 in. Squeeze these 2. Or should I save it for next time? Yeah, I should squeeze these 2 in now. I squeezed a bit wrong. It goes still wrong direction. That didn't go well. Well, whatever. But that bit escaped, so I don't need to drink that bit. No, that's not going well. Hello, welcome back. So, for some reason someone called me and I forgot to turn on my Do Not Disturb mode. I'm recording this on my mobile phone. So now I squeezed all 4 lemons. In fact, the squeezing efficiency wasn't that high, so some of the juice escaped. But now let me show you how much I've got. Get my phone out. This much. Yeah. It's about a quarter of a cup. And yeah. And also I squeeze it. It wasn't that much. I mean, some juice still remained in the lemon because I can't really squeeze all that in, and my fingers are sore. But let me drink this. Don't try this at home. Now, every cup of tea I drink from this cup is going to be lemony. It smells quite nice. If you taste a bit, it tastes quite nice as well. But if you drink it, it's too sour. No, it isn't. I can't give up. Let's drink some water. I kind of give up. Okay, let me finish this bit. I think I've drank already juice from 2 lemons, so a half of what I've got just now. Okay, why am I even doing this? There's also a bit bitterness from the lemon skin in this juice. I'm not feeling well. I finished it. That thing just dropped was lemon seeds. Oh my god. Oh. I need to drink some water. This is not going well. Don't try this at home unless you hate yourself. Oh my god, my lips are sour. My hands smell lemony, and look at that. Yeah. So the lemon piece there, and yeah, you can see there's quite some juice remaining in there, my cup and my water bottle. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me butchering myself, and yeah, and send me more challenges, and shout out to Dillon and Harry for challenging me to eat a lemon and drinking lemon juice. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Have a Merry Christmas and